everybody. So I'm here at the office and I want to share with you something pretty cool that we just saw, or not cool, depending on how you look at it. I'm here with my niece, Maisie Jean, and Maisie is doing a science project for school. And what we're doing is she's ordered 3 5-star over-the-counter hearing aids to try and see how they work in people's ears. So we're doing an experiment, but it's too cool to just wait for her to get her results. I gotta show you how this works. So Maisie pulled up some hearing aid online. We've got a user manual. There's not really like a name of it or anything. I'm not sure what the actual product name is. But my dad was lucky enough to be able to be our participant. So what we've hooked up here is what's called Real Ear. So Real Ear tells us how the ear actually hears with a hearing device in it. And if you can see my screen right here, what we're showing is what happens once a hearing aid is in your ear. So the really cool thing is this white line down here is showing normal hearing. The blue line is showing the hearing loss. So the further away from the white line you go, the worse the hearing is. These green hashes right here, that's the target. That's where Jerry's gonna hear his very best. And that's where we want the green line right here to be. This green line, like right here, see where they both touch? That's perfect. That's exactly what we want it to look like. But over here, look how high this line is. It's blaring his ears out. When he went to put this device in his ear, it was so loud he could hardly stand it. And we can see why, because it's completely over amplifying. If we look at his right ear here, again, this is normal hearing. The red line is his hearing loss. The further away from normal to that red line, the worse the hearing is. So his hearing's a lot worse down here, not so bad down there. These are the stars. That's gonna be his best hearing. And look how high those hearing aids are in his ear. It's way too loud. In fact, it's so loud that it's almost about to start causing him hearing loss. So right here, we're on the borderline of hitting the ceiling of too loud, so loud that it's gonna cause damage. Another interesting fact about these devices that we're trying out is that they have some kind of like a little push button that's supposed to be a volume, but it's taken us forever to figure out how to make the volume change. It's also taken us forever to figure out how to keep it there, because once he starts to put it in his ear, he bumps it and then it causes a problem too. And it's so loud that he can't hardly stand it. So this is example number 1 of a mail order hearing aid. Stay tuned for 2 more.